Hello, I'm going to go over lesson seven, probability of two events. So I remember when I was younger, this kind of confused me if it was or and, but all of these questions are just about or. So, um, for example, if it says, what is the probability of drawing a 2 or a 6? Well, 2 is one number and 6 is one number. So that's two numbers. So it would be 2 over how many possible outcomes? 6. And then you could simplify that to 1/3. There's a few examples on your lesson as you're going over them. I'm going to go over number 1. It says a number between 1 and 10 is randomly chosen. What is the probability of choosing a 4 or an odd number? So I'm going to write these numbers out. Pause this. Okay, so it wants to know the possibility of drawing a 4, so I'm going to circle my 4, or an odd number. So now I'm going to circle all of the odd numbers. 1 and 3, 5, 7, and 9. So how many total possible outcomes? That's your bottom number, remember? There's 10 numbers, so there's 10 total possible outcomes. Now how many numbers do I have circled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tenths. Okay? Now, I'm looking at the lesson right now. That's not a choice. What can go into 6 and into 10? 2. So we're going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So once you simplify or reduce your probability, it is 3/5. The reason that we're using all of those numbers is because it said or. So if I got a 4 on my die, or any of those odd numbers, then I got what I wanted. I wanted either a 4 or an odd number, so I had more choices. Okay? And I'm going to go over number 2 as well. There's only 4 questions on this. It's just a longer question, so I'm going to go over that one, and then you all can do the last 2 yourself. Okay, so the next question says that there are 9 dogs, 6 cats, 8 gerbils, and 7 parrots. It wants to know the probability of getting a cat or a dog. So to find that top number, we want cat or dog because that's our desired outcome. So we're going to add cat and dog together, okay? So 9 plus 6 is 15. So that's our top number, our desired outcome. And then our total number of outcomes would be just adding all of these numbers together. So we already know that's 15. And then 8 plus 7 is also 15. So 15 and 15 is 30. And if you, hold on. Okay, so if you want to reduce this, well, you have to get the answer. You have to figure out a number that goes into 15 and 30. So right off the top of my head, I know 5 goes into them. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 30 divided by 5 is 6. I'm going to give you a little hint. That's still not simplified completely all the way down. So what goes into 3 and into 6? 3. So now I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the probability of getting a cat or a dog is 1/2. And that's it.